Hello students, let us discuss one important factor, that is fill factor. Okay, so fill factor is generally called as merit index or figure of merit of a PV cell. Okay, so fill factor is treated as figure of merit of a PV cell. Just like we find efficiency of a machine, so fill factor is just like a efficiency of machine. Okay, so now let us try to understand what is a fill factor here. For that we are going back to our IV characteristics. Okay, so here these are the IV characteristics of our PV cell, ISC and VOC. These are typical characteristics of a PV cell. So we know that the theoretical values of ISC and VOC are just like two straight lines drawing from ISC and VOC meeting at one point. Okay, so this is the point where theoretical values of ISC and VOC are formed. So okay, so the blue color point will indicate VOC, ISC point, both are theoretical values, but the practical value of maximum power point is somewhere on the red color line. Okay, so now let us highlight the theoretical value of VOC and ISC, so that is indicated as green line. Okay, so now let us see the practical operating point of maximum power, that is VMP and IMP. Okay, so now let us highlight the area of practical area of operation of our PV cell, that is indicated as blue color line. So gray color area indicates theoretical values of VOC and ISC, but the blue color area is indicating the practical operating region of PV cell. Okay, the PV cell maximum operating point will be somewhere in this blue color region. Okay, so what is the fill factor now? Fill factor here is, so here the theoretical value of maximum capability of a PV cell that can generate maximum power is gray color one. Okay, theoretical value of maximum power that can be generated by a PV cell is highlighted with gray color box, but the practical area of maximum power that can be delivered by a PV cell is highlighted with blue color line. Okay, here you can see the practical value and theoretical value. Okay, so theoretical value is in gray color. Okay, so this is theoretical value. Okay, and this is practical value, the blue color one. Okay, let me change the color. So here, so this is practical value. Okay, so this is theoretical value. So fill factor is nothing but practical value of maximum power point by theoretical value of maximum power operating region. Okay, this is nothing but a fill factor. Okay, so you will get the value also. Okay, fill factor is nothing but practical value of maximum operating region, that is this blue color area, and by theoretical value of operating region, that is this gray color region. Okay, so typically the fill factor is ranging from 0.5 to 0.85. okay, so 0.85 is best PV cell, 0.5 is very average or low standard PV cell. So you can choose a PV cell based on your fill factor value. Okay, the high is the fill factor, the good is the PV cell. Okay, so that is the thing here. Okay, now let us take one PV cell having the characteristics like flat line. Okay, here the red color line indicates a VA characteristics of a PV cell which is having a flat line. Okay, so now let us see the gray color box is indicating the theoretical value of maximum operating region of PV cell. Now let us try to find the practical operating point, that is VOC and ISC. Okay, here VMP and IMP is practical maximum operating point of PV cell with IV characteristics shown like this. Okay, so the practical region of operation will be like this. Okay, here this green color box will indicate the practical operating region. That means here we have theoretical value is very large and practical value is very small, because we are finding the fill factor which is practical value, that is green color value by gray color value. Because the denominator is higher, the fill factor will be lower, so the performance of PV cell is lower. Okay, so fill factor is nothing but VMP into IMP by VOC into ISC. So this is expression for fill factor. Okay, VMP into IMP are the practical operating points of a PV cell, and VOC ISC are the theoretical values of PV cell. Okay, so these two values will be given in the data sheet, so you can find the fill factor using the values available in the data sheet also. Okay, so earlier for the normal typical PV cell curve, the operating region is blue color. Okay, so the fill factor value will be higher for blue color operating region compared to green color operating region, because blue color operating region is very much closer to gray color operating region, that is theoretical operating region. Okay, so that's why the fill factor for blue color operating region is higher compared to green color one. Okay, so this is regarding fill factor and formula. Now let us observe the factors in data sheet. Here you can see the VMP maximum power voltage, IMP maximum power current are given in the data sheet as 30.18 volts and 7.96 amperes. But the theoretical values, that is VOC and ISC, open circuit voltage and short circuit current, are 36.72 and 8.99. You can see 36.72 is greater than 30.18 volts, that means theoretical value is greater compared to practical value, and 8.99 is greater compared to 7.961. So these four values are given in the data sheet. So by substituting these values in fill factor equation, that is VMP into IMP, that is 30.18 into 7.96 by VOC into ISC, that is 36.722 by 8.99, you are going to get fill factor of a given PV cell. Okay, so let me show you. Here I am substituting VMP and IMP and VOC ISC from data sheet. So the fill factor for a given polycrystalline PV cell is 0.72, that is 72%. Okay, so 72% of practical area is covered in a theoretical value of operating region. Okay, so this is about fill factor of a PV cell. I hope you have understood the concept. Okay, so we will be doing some problems on fill factor so that you can understand it clearly. Thank you.